Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning automatic updates on or off on the Apple Watch Series 10. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Having automatic updates on is a good way to make sure your watch stays up to date. However, if you would rather manually update your watch, you can turn off automatic updates in the settings. Press the digital crown to open the App menu. Tap the Settings cog to open Settings. Scroll down Settings and select General. Tap Software Update. Then tap Automatic Updates. Tap the toggle to turn automatic updates on or off. When the toggle is green, automatic updates is turned on, and when grey, it is turned off. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch tips and tricks.